Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel, and on this channel I show you how to make money by increasing your income. I show you how to multiply your money and also how you can save money in a proper way. I know that you know that we had an insane week. So earlier in the week, I showed us some stocks that we were following, and even before the week ended, I had to do a quick one on Tesla on my YouTube shorts. So if you missed that, go and watch it. It was insane. It was crazy. I just want you to know that when it comes to making your money work for you, when you're setting your investing goals, just know that in 2024, the strategy you are going to use matters a lot. So I want you to know that if you know what you're doing, you will be getting the right money coming to your account, But if you are using the wrong strategy, you are listening to the wrong person, you are putting both your money, both your knowledge, and both your investments in jeopardy, and it could set you back. So I just want you to know that. Second thing I want you to know is that as we are rounding up the year, I want you to start setting up your short-term goals. I want you to set your middle-term goals, and I want you to set up your long-term goals. So your short-term goals are things you want to achieve in 2024, because we are just doing like a countdown to 2024. Your middle term goals or mid-term goals are things you want to achieve in 3 to 5 years, okay? And then your long-term goals are things you want to do like in 7 years and above. So sit down and put these things together. Write them down. It doesn't matter. You can start with one. Put down things you want to do, how much you want to make in 2024. You want to get married, you want to take up a degree, master's degree, whatever. You want to relocate, whatever your plan is. I'm just, talking. That is exactly what I want you to do. And I also want you to know that this is the best time for you to get ready to start investing while you're learning how to build your income. So learn how to make your money work for you. You cannot work all the days of your life, but your money surely can do that for you. So now is the best time to let go some of your fears and your old habits. So go open a brokerage account here in Nigeria. We use Trove and Bamboo. If you're ready to start investing and putting the work into practice, so go do that, and you can take some more classes. We have a community, is the second link in the description. Click on it and you will surely be with us. And I am going straight to talk about the video Tesla. Woohoo! This was amazing. You remember that I told us that Tesla was going to come back to 230 range, and see what happened. Tesla came down to 228. The reason is Tesla reported that they were recalling up to 2 million vehicles, and that report alone, the stock took a dive. Oh my god, that was a beautiful dive. Took a dive to 228, and we rode it from here to 253.50. Can you see this? Woohoo! This is amazing. Netting $24 cool per share. Imagine if you had like 5 shares and you would have made over $100 just by having this information. This is amazing, guys. I told us. So if you watch my other video, you will see I mentioned that this stock was going to head back to 233, and it actually did more than that. And so I'm going to talk about the next one. The next one is SoFi. Oh my lord. So I told us that SoFi was going to get back into the 7.9 range. Okay, I mentioned it that SoFi was going to touch 7.9, and it could actually go down to 7.8, and I said that we will ride it to where I said 8.4, I said 8.6, and I said $9. So look at what happened. SoFi actually came down to 7.8 and then took it all the way up, even though we sold at 9, but this stock touched almost 10. I think it was 9.8 or something. This was our crazy move of the week. Like, even though I keep telling you that you don't have to get greedy, okay? So just setting your price, and when you go leave the market, it doesn't matter if it goes higher than what, just be happy with how much you have made, because sometimes greed will drive you to think it's going to touch 10 and then it comes further lower and you even lose out more. So when you set your price, just take it at that price and just walk, just take a walk, okay? So we started selling from 8.4, 8.5, 8.8, 9, 9.2, and that was it. This was a beautiful move. This is really a beautiful move, and this was one of the traits that I enjoyed in the community. Like, we followed it and it was amazing. Now that was SoFi. The last one I mentioned earlier in the week that I'm going to talk about is SQQQ actually. Now, I remember telling us that SQQQ, since he got into 15 points, we've been, buying it little by little, maybe 1 share, 2 share, 1 share, 2 share, and right now is touching 14.25. Remember, I told us that this stock can run up to 22. I remember saying it 22 to 23. This is a stock that when you buy it, you just go and sleep and wait for it to give you your profit. And like I said, it may take few weeks, few days, it may take even up to a month plus. But the good thing is that when you buy this and the profit comes in, so just imagine, you got this stock for $15, and this stock you sell at $22. You have a profit of $7 for each one. Now, if you have 10 shares, you would have made $70. If you have 20 shares, you would have made yourself $140. If you had 30 shares, this would be $210. Can you see how people make a lot of money? I know someone who has 900 to 1,500 shares, something within that range. I know someone. So imagine 1,000 shares in $7 move. That is a whopping $7,000. So this is how the wealthy make their money. So when I'm explaining this to you, if you understand how this works, you can make a lot of money, and this is money you make doing almost nothing. All you need is the right strategy, the right timing to buy, the right stock, and the right time to sell. That's all you need. So I take my time to make these videos, and I'm doing this to let you know that we had an awesome week, and you should start looking into this if you have not started doing that. Before I wrap it up, I would like to say, please like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It takes you absolutely nothing, but the good thing is that it will help YouTube to show this to more people, and I'll be super glad if you do this. Drop a comment, and if you tried any of them, let me know in the comment section, and we'll be having another video where I will tell you what we are looking at for this new week, and I hope to see you in the next video.